I went from a startup founder to a creator who was actually making zero progress for 8 months straight. And then suddenly I gained from 0 followers over 14,000 followers, over 3.5 million views monthly, and over 2,100 newsletter subscribers in just 5 months. And not only that, I was able to work 4 hours a day, discover my purpose, passion, and turn it into profit. This video is divided into 3 different parts. First of all, I'll talk about the philosophy, where I start explaining the triple P, purpose, passion, and profit, and how these 3 are interconnected. Then I talk about the unique mechanisms, the concepts, and framework I use to achieve this goal. And finally, I will walk you through my complete system and workflow from Notion over Kortex, so you can replicate this one for yourself. First, we start with purpose. Most people, myself included, we have this vivid dream of living at a certain location, driving the dream car, or traveling the world. The thing is, people have goals, but no plan how to get there. They have no map leading them towards the treasure. And here comes the hard pill to swallow. Most of your thoughts are not yours. Social media has influenced them. Influencers sold you the dreamy life where life is worry-free, enjoying the time in the Maldives, being in the pool all day, and eating fruits you've never seen in your entire life before. The point is, you're not going to value the time, the travel, the beauty, the life you've accomplished without actually accomplishing it. You need the pain before to honor and be grateful when you achieve the goal. That's why most rich kids lack meaning, get addicted to drugs and stimulation and pleasure overall. A deep purpose is to suffer for a specific goal. If there's no deep purpose behind it, you're not going to stick to it. The thing is, the potential reward needs to outweigh its cost. Second is purpose. You need to get addicted to the craft itself. Most people mistaking passion for purpose. Passion, for example, is the emotional energy, the fuel you need. But the thing is, it can come and it can go. Your task can be empty, meaning you need to get to the next gas station to fuel your tank. And this is also the importance of active rest, like walking, training, taking a sauna, taking a cold plunge, whatever you want to fill up your time with. Without a purpose, a destination with an infinite goal, there is no drive, which is passion. Why should you work for someone or something if there is no internal drive, like money or purpose? You need a purpose, a direction. Like, why should you hike if you don't want to reach the top of the mountain? You need a passion, an internal fuel that keeps your engine moving forward, an excitement of the craft itself. The thing is, if you combine purpose and passion, you're able to achieve consistency. Purpose is the infinite goal, the motivation for keeping you moving forwards or upwards, meaning growth. You need a hierarchy of goals where you never reach the top. And passion is a daily pursuit of your craft, the obsession of mastering your craft. You find enjoyment in the journey itself to the top of the mountain. Third, purpose, passion, and profit is a triple P framework. Creatorpreneurship is probably one of the most lucrative and fulfilling paths to take. I mean, running a supermarket chain or a boring business are also extremely lucrative, but I'm often questioning if these are really fulfilling. The thing is, there are different business models out there, but many of them, in my opinion, take more hours per day or bring people away from their minds into an operation mode, which is logical thinking or logical work. The more creative work you do, the happier you're going to be, because the more flow states you're going to experience. The human mind can't focus extensively longer than 4 hours per day, maximum 5. But the problem is, most people's jobs are 8 hours per day. Some are 10 or even 12 hours. And during these 8 hours, they don't work for themselves, they work for someone else, their bosses. I hate to break it to you, but the goal of every human on this earth is self-actualization, whether you know it or you don't. And the work that brings you closer to your actual self is the one you should pursue, distancing yourself from the opinions of others through emotional detachment and confidence in your own abilities, your intuition. What you need to learn is to take more rest, letting your mind wander, creating curiosity and novelty through the little things in life, solving problems with your subconscious, which is the creative mechanism inside of your mind. With the creative mechanism, you're coming up with innovative ideas for your mind, productivity, business, and life. You're only going to master all domains of your life, health, wealth, and relationships, when you become more creative and have better ideas through mental minimalism and not working 8 hours a day, but thinking extensively about how you can make 8 hours of work in 4 hours or less. And for this, sometimes you need to outsource, hire, or cancel things, being ruthless with saying no, and sometimes you just need to become more productive. The thing is, creating content in general is an extremely rewarding, creative, and self-actualizing path. First, you create your purpose. Second, you get passionate about the daily pursuit. And third, you build profits through consistency that purpose and passion provides. There wouldn't be many movies, video games, YouTube videos, or books out there if people did not enjoy the process itself. They even enjoy the process so much that they do it for free for at least 6 to 12 months to see any return of investment in it. No one is going to achieve a big outcome if they don't work for 6 or 12 months for free. Every entrepreneur, every YouTuber, every guy on social media you're seeing, the person minimum took 6 to 12 months until achieving the specific outcome. And also, how does this reflect to your mind? Purpose gives your mind a singular focus, a singular pursuit, removing all external noise, and fuels you with flow. And flow is the only psychological state for serious focus. Then you have passion. The passion gives you the fuel you need to go through the hard beginning. Without passion, you're going to quit, which I've done multiple times and you probably as well. The point is, you need to be obsessed with the craft itself. It is the only way to achieve your deep purpose. And lastly, without profit, you're not going to keep your purpose running. Not making enough income stagnates your life and the development of your purpose. This is going to annoy you sooner or later. I can promise you, because it happened to me. It can work in the beginning to have purpose and passion without money, but later, not making enough money holds you back in purpose and passion, and creating resentment inside of yourself. The thing is, the lack of profit also distances you from becoming healthier, which helps to keep your mind manageable. If you eat junk food, your brain becomes junk. If you don't sleep, your brain is going to sleep. If you follow the Triple P framework, this is the best outcome to a successful, enjoyable life and business. So first of all, before starting any type of content, what I like to do is to think of first how a YouTube video could be produced, turning this into a newsletter, and then turning this into Threads content. This is how I grow on Threads mainly, and now hopefully on YouTube. Let's see. Okay, so for example, I put all of the ideas I might have into a Notion template. This is my entire Notion template. And then I put the information into another template, for example here. So I put down things or how the video is going to be produced. And then I write a newsletter about it, which is always going to be published on Saturday or on Wednesday. Saturday is the longer one mostly, and Wednesday are the shorter ones. And then what I do is transitioning and using an AI prompt to turn this newsletter, which I finished, into Threads content. First of all, into little posts, 21 of them for an entire week, and then into a longer thread post, and then putting the people into my call to action or into my newsletter and world, the business world, whatever. And I write it in this way. So I have a specific template, which is my newsletter template. It has metadata, connections, and is organized. And it is created of interconnected structure, which is made of mastery nodes, which is my entire system. So if you're a bit longer on this channel, you understand my mind universe and understand the mastery. And there are 4 domains of clarity, which is life mastery, business mastery, productivity mastery, and mind mastery. And everything consists of this specific system I've built for close to a year now. Then I have a target group. Then I have the topic I'm going to talk about, flow states, writing, income, 4 hours work days. Then I have a brain dump. I have a persuasive framework if I need it, and I have a YouTube video. So I come up with like the planning, the thumbnail, the title, the hook, the visualize, the B-roll, the YouTube script, etc. I'm not much successful on YouTube right now on this channel. I have another channel which has a bit more views, which I probably activate again. So after finishing writing my newsletters, what I do then is putting this one into my template. So I have a template, which is every week is going to be published on Mondays. So there's 4 posts every single day, one at noon, one at 2 p.m., one at 4 p.m., and one at 6 p.m. Then I have also a threads content. So for example, there's this prompt. So I have this prompt here. And this prompt, for example, is updated every month with the best posts, for example. And it's fueling my longer thread posts, which made me viral on threads where I actually gained 3.56 million views per month. And also the 40,000 followers. Then I also have a post template, which I create. So for example, another prompt, which is also updated once a month. Then I have a newsletter to my 21 thread post, which is also updated every month. And then I have a short one, and then I post 3 times a day on threads. I don't want to get into too much detail here because I think you're getting bored. And if you're really interested, you can just click the first link in the description. You can get access to the templates, and you can actually do it for yourself, so you don't really need to watch the video. And yeah, as you can see here, the post gets quite viral, 235,000 views, 200,000 views, 121,000 views, and they just consist of the prompt and my newsletters I write every single week, which is anyways good if you have a newsletter audience, because otherwise you can't build a content business if you don't have a newsletter. And then yeah, I just post them, as you can see here. Some of them get viral, 1,000 likes, 1,700 likes, which this one is really controversial. Another close to 1,000 likes. And yeah, actually this is my entire system. I think it would be more confusing showcasing every single step, and the video would probably go to 30 minutes. But if you really want to replicate this one, you can click the first link in the description. If you have any problems with ADHD, entrepreneurship, startup, building, whatever, you can click the second link in the description, which is a one-on-one mastery coaching program. If you want to know how to build a content business and become a creatorpreneur, watch this video next on how I copied Danco's AI system, gained over 13,000 followers, actually now 14,000, in just 5 months.